Hello everyone and welcome back again to another video on my channel. So in this video I'll be going to talk about a very special event of 2021, that is Apple Spring Loaded event. So this is the most awaited event of Apple 2021 in which Apple is going to launch many of its products. And if you want to tune in live to that event, so the Spring Loaded event will be coming live on Apple YouTube page at 10 PM IST on 20th April 2021. That's today. So in this video, I'll be going to talk about that what you can expect from that event, that is Apple Spring Loaded event, and what might not be released today and might be releasing on 7 June. That is the another event of Apple with the name of WWDC. So let's start with the video. So to start with a very cool device, Apple might be launching this Bluetooth connectivity device by which you can find out any lost item with using Find My Device. So the name AirTags will be launching today under this event, which are basically small tracking tiles with Bluetooth connectivity. So basically AirTags will be having built-in chips that allow you to connect to any of your Apple device, whether it be iPhone, your Mac or any iPad. So as you find your any Apple device, you can also find out this AirTag and the item attached to it. So if it gets launched today, this will be a very cool device in the market. So moving on to the next device that Apple might be launching today is basically this redesigned iMac. So if I have to talk about the main upgradation in the iMac 2021, rather than the previous M1 chip enabled MacBook Pro, so this year's iMac 2021 will have Apple Silicon ARM chip enabled. Now along with that, the new iMac may come with a choice of 21.5 inch and 27 inch display. Now if I talk about another device that Apple will be definitely launching in today's event is iPad Pro 2021. So this device is newest and the most amazing one in the era, as it has got 12.9 inch display, and that too with mini LED display. Now the thing that will amaze you about the iPad Pro that will be launching in today's event is its display. That it's getting a 120 Hz of refresh rate that is approximately hard to find on a premium tablet. Now if I talk about that when it will be launching in India, so it will be launching in India soon, but the thing is that its availability in India will be less, as that's the case with iPad Air and iPad Pro 2020. They were also launched in India, but their availability is still very less in India. Now at last, the most important thing that Apple will definitely be launching in today's event is iPhone 13 Pro. So Apple definitely will be launching iPhone 13 Pro, and the major change that Apple has changed in iPhone 12 to iPhone 13 Pro is basically they have redesigned the notch. And that's not only difference in iPhone 12 and iPhone 13, they have also changed the camera. So according to the sources, iPhone 13 will be available in 4 of its variants, that is 5.4 inch iPhone 13 mini, a 6.1 inch iPhone 13, a 6.1 inch iPhone 13 Pro and a 6.7 inch iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now along with that, as I have already mentioned, that they have redesigned the notch, that is they have decreased the size of the notch, and along with that they have improved ultra wide lens on Pro models. Now unlike iPhone 12 Pro, this iPhone 13 Pro will be comparatively thicker and have a better battery life than that of iPhone 12. So this is all about what you can expect from the today's Apple Spring Loaded event and what might not be launching in today's event and might be launching in WWDC. So do tell me in the comment box that what are those devices that you are most excited of, and tune into the Apple Spring Loaded event. I will give the link for the live event of Apple in the description box below. You can find that out. So that's all for today. We will meet again soon, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you and goodbye.